everyone, my name is Anggi Pangestuti, or you can call me Anggi. I'm from Akademi Akuntansi YKPN Yogyakarta. Today, I would like to give a presentation about decrease in value of asset, and I will get more specific to discuss about depreciation. Firstly, let me say some greeting to Akademi Akuntansi YKPN Yogyakarta. Thank you to Akademi Akuntansi YKPN Yogyakarta, the leading in vocational accounting education, for facilitating the competition of accounting presentation in English, and congratulations for your 49th anniversary. Okay, let's start it. This presentation is divided into 4 outline points. First, I want to explain the definition of depreciation. Second is about purpose of depreciation. Third is about factor affecting depreciation, and fourth is about method of depreciation. Okay everyone, before we discuss about depreciation, it's better to know that fixed asset. What is fixed asset? Fixed asset is a non-tangible piece of property that a firm owns and used in operation to generate income. Tangible assets such as building, land, equipment, machine, and vehicle use the term depreciation. And intangible assets such as patent or copyright use the term amortization. And natural resource assets such as oil, gas, fuel use the term depletion. But in this presentation, we will only discuss about depreciation. According to Gisu, Regen, and Warfield, depreciation is the accounting process of allocating the cost of tangible assets to expend in a systematic and rational manner to those periods expected to benefit from the use of the asset. Depreciation is the important part of the company. Why? Because the cost allocating varying the amount of corporate profit in financial statement. Without appropriately charging an asset purchase cost to depreciation expense, a company might understate or overstate total expense and thus misstate revenue, reporting misleading financial information. So, the purpose of the depreciation is to allocate it over the useful life, so that it will present a real financial statement. The factor affecting depreciation. Cost. Cost is the most influential factor on depreciation cost. Cost is the basic for calculating how much depreciation should be allocated from each accounting period. This price is obtained from the amount of money spent in obtaining fixed assets until they are ready for use. Salvage value. It is estimated value or potential cash inflow if the asset is sold at the time of withdrawal or retirement of asset. The residual value is not always present. There are times when an asset does not have a residual value because the assets are not sold during the withdrawal period or made into scrap. Economical lifetime. Most assets have 2 types of age: physical age and functional age. Physical age is associated with the physical condition of an asset. An asset is said to still have a physical age if physically the asset is still in a good condition, although its function might have declined, while the functional age is usually associated with the contribution of this asset in their use. An asset is said to still have a functional age if the asset still contributes to the company. Although physically an asset is still in very good condition but not necessarily still has a functional age. It could be that these assets are no longer functional due to changes in the model of the product produced. These conditions usually occur in the asset of the machine or equipment used to make a product, or these assets are not in accordance with the times. In depreciation expense, the material used for calculation is the functional age, commonly known as economic age. Method of depreciation. There are several methods for calculating depreciation, generally based on either the passage of time of the level of activity of the asset. Straight line methods. Straight line method considers depreciation a function of time rather than a function of usage. Companies widely use this method because its simplicity. The straight line procedure is often the most conceptually appropriate tool when creeping obsolescence is the primary reason for limited service life. The decline in usefulness may be constant from period to period. Depreciation is cost of fixed asset minus residual value divided useful life of asset or years. For example, a vehicle that depreciates over 5 years is purchased at cost $17,000 and will have salvage value of $2,000. Then this vehicle will depreciate at $3,000 each year. Unit of production method. Under the units of production method, useful life of the asset is expressed in the term of the total number of units expected to be produced. So, cost of fixed asset means residual value divided estimate total production. Example, an asset has original cost $70,000, salvage value $10,000, and is expected to produce 6,000 units. Depreciation is $70,000 minus $10,000 divided 6,000 units. Sum of the years digit method. The sum of the years digit method results in a decreasing fraction of depreciated cost or origin cost less residual value. Each fraction uses the sum of the years as denominator. The numerator is the number of years of estimate life remaining as of the beginning of the year. In this method, the numerator decreases year by year, and the denominator remains constant. At the end of the asset's useful life, the balance remaining should equal the residual value. Declining useful life, at the end of asset's useful life, the balance remaining should equal the residual value. Declining balance method. Declining balance method, or often referred to as the reducing balance method, utilize a depreciation rate or expressed as a percentage that is some multiple of the straight line method. Unlike other The declining balance method does not deduct the residual value in computing the depreciation base. The declining balance rate is multiplied by the book value of the asset at the beginning of each period. Which method will be selected? It's better according to the needs of the company. Depreciation recording is depreciation expense on the debit side and accumulate depreciation on the credit side. This is the end of my presentation. After you watch my presentation, I hope you will gain benefit from it. Before I end my presentation, I would like to say thank you to Akademi Akuntansi YKPN, our reliable partner in vocational accounting education. Thank you for your attention and see you.